How do you pass an argument to an event handler? This question reveals one of the most common React mistakes that can break your app before it even renders. First, let's see what not to do. If you write onClick equals handleClick with parentheses and pass your argument, React calls this function immediately during render, not when the user clicks. This causes infinite loops, performance issues, and unexpected behavior. Never call the function directly in the JSX. The best solution is wrapping your handler in an arrow function. Write onClick equals an arrow function that calls handleClick with your argument inside. This creates a new function that React will call later when the click happens. The arrow function acts as a bridge, capturing your argument and passing it to the real handler at the right time. This is the most common and readable approach. Another option is the bind method. Write onClick equals handleClick.bind, passing null as the context, then your argument. Bind returns a new function with the argument pre-filled. This was popular in class components, but works in function components too. It's less common today, but perfectly valid. What if you need both the event object and your custom argument? With arrow functions, accept the event parameter and pass both to your handler. The event comes from React automatically. With bind, your custom argument comes first, then the event gets appended automatically by React. The order matters depending on which method you choose. Finally, there's a data attributes approach. Store your value in a data attribute on the element, then read it from event.target.dataset in the handler. This works but loses type safety and couples your logic to the DOM structure. Remember, arrow functions and bind are your go-to solutions for passing arguments to event handlers without triggering immediate execution. Practice this in your next React project, and you'll ace this interview question. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.